So today's program, the famous floating market. We went now down with a rental car, so we booked a rental car with a driver for like 2,000 baht, which is 45 euro. He brought us here, like he was driving roughly 2 hours or 1.5, and now he's waiting for us till we are back. The boat tour, we have a separate boat where we are like only 3 people, mom, dad and me, and we paid here like for maybe 2 hours 80 euros for the boat. You can also book it like with tourist groups where you're like, I don't know, 20 people on the boat, and then you pay way less. So it would be like maybe 100 euro with going with a train and the bus to this boat and then sharing the boat with other people. After a few meters you have already a shop where you can buy already some food or drinks. That's how it looks like. Really like in the jungle somehow. And that's how it looks like. So you're driving past all these places and then you can stop and buy here some stuff. More stuff. Cold beer, and they sell a lot of beer and coconut things. Restaurants. Beautiful art actually. That's how the people live here. Nice small garden, drying the clothes in the sun. Simple. And on the opposite side you have the market with all these small digs. Even more. Now we're gonna make a curve through this small bridge, under this front bridge. And after a few minutes you make here a stop at the coconut farm and the souvenir shop, and they said you have like 5 to 10 minutes to check the area. And you get over there some coconut water with ice for free, and then you see the coconut farm and the small river with a lot of fishes and baby pineapples. And that's how this farm looks like. We see all the coconuts, and they're super sweet in Thailand. The coconuts taste like they're with sugar.
Soll ich die filmen? Was, Sammy? Warte, die GoPro? Einfach ein Foto machen, oder was? Ah, der läuft schon.
2 hours.
2 hours you have to do this.
2 hours. 2 hours. 20 minutes.
Cool. Ja, ich hör auf, gell?
Yeah. That's how the boat looks like. He's picking up us. He's picking us up. And here how they put the fresh coconuts there. That's how they store the boats. Nice doggy. Actually, there's nearly no dirt. Just about coconuts. Okay, I have one plastic bag because I said it now. 2 plastic bags. Banana trees. They also eat this thing. Banana flower. Yeah. So now we reach the slow market. Whatever the slow market is. A lot of tourists. Lot of boats. So if you only take the small package, you don't have this big floating market. I don't know. I have no clue about floating markets, but the thing included. And then you can buy your cannabis or take pictures with some snakes. And photo shoots with the tiger. All this stuff. Okay, maybe I talk bullshit. I think we just have to drive around because it was only a one-way street river. There's food everywhere, coconut ice cream in between these nice houses. On the other side you have nice beautiful nature and beer. And cannabis is legal. Come to see us. Now we are coming to the floating market. And I don't know how, but if you come here you can also get here a rowing boat, which is like way cheaper. It's like 400 baht per boat for 1 hour. We have the 3,001, so we pay like 80 euro for 2-3 hours. There's like 400 for 1 hour, which is way cheaper. But anyway, this is more faster, I guess, and yeah, and more noisy. And now everybody is going in the market. Look at the cool t-shirt. Lovely. Now everybody wants to go in there. That's what I call a tourist catcher. Look how many. The next one's coming. So many. coconut ice cream. Of art, coconut, sticky rice, more stuff to buy, good air. Tourists with their snakes. Nice hair. Both of them. So you can buy everything. I guess the prices won't be that cheap.
Water, beer.
Here you get your soups and all this stuff. These are the small pancakes. Theoretically also walk, but I don't know how to get here, to be honest. And you will die maybe because it's like 45 degrees and the humidity is like unreal. Like roughly 1.5 hours. We said we still have like 20 minutes to chill somewhere, I don't know, go for a drink or food, but actually we just drive back and wait there for our driver, since we only slept a bit tonight and the way here was already like 1.5 hours, 2 hours, so in my opinion it's not worth. But yeah, if you want to see such type of market for once in your life,